I need different protective glasses, I think. These are shitty. At least for this job. I mean, I still have the feeling that sometimes pieces fly off in my eyes, which is not great. They're coming again. The pigeons. You see? Quite annoying. Ba-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. Okay, so there's a connection in between, which is not good. How come? So I think I need to cut them free to know if they are proper or not. Too bad they're still connected, so next time if I ever do this again, coils need to be a little bit further apart so I can measure them while they're still being one thing. Yeah. 1 out of 7. That's great. That's a good. It's an achievement, I must say. Yeah. Never had that before, so it is something. I mean, never done that. So okay, that's one coil. So cannot fuck it up. I'm pretty sure I can, but try not to. We've seen this before. Wow, that became small. Might not be long enough, I reckon. corrugation took... No, it might just be enough. I could done with less room on the sides as well, I think. Next up, putting magnets on here. And then somehow I need sort of spacers on where it is bending. I wish I had the proper thickness of rubber or foamy tape, but I don't, so I have to kind of improvise and see if it works, and then I can buy a roll of tape that will fit. I mean, this whole thing is just, you know, prototype. Everything I build is usually a prototype, so yeah, why not? So this is gonna be fun. Now something to put here. I'm not sure. I wish something that is not like something temporarily. So maybe I'll put some tape on there, but not remove the sticky side yet.